Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I want to do this review slash comparison video based on my first impressions, not so much as wear and tear or what exactly fits in each of them, because I have not packed them with anything yet, but more as the first impressions of pros and cons that I've noticed for each. So far, let's start off with price. I have them in order from the most expensive to the least expensive. The Honest Company Diaper Backpack, and this one's with a quilted design, and you can only find this one at Nordstrom's, I believe. And this one retails for $149.99, which is the priciest. Then we come down to the Ryla backpack, and this one retails for $129.99, or I'm sorry, $129, and you could only buy this one on Ryla.com. And the last one is the SkipHop Nolita Diaper Backpack, and that one being the least expensive, it retails for $79.99, and you can find that one at different retailers. Now, as far as the material of each of the backpacks, these are both full leathers. They're not real leather. This one has a quilting design to it. This one's more of a cross-grain design, and the SkipHop is a nylon material. So as you can see, these two are a little bit more structured than the Honest Company one. SkipHop has feet at the bottom. So does the Ryla, but not the Honest Company. And this one, I feel once you pack it in, it's gonna probably tip over, maybe. I mean, right now it seems to be staying up, but it's slouching a little bit to the front. And these, once you pack these, they will stay straight up. So that's one thing I like about these two. All three of them have a grip handle. This one slouches a little bit, does not stay up like the other two, but they all have a handle at the top. As far as the strap, for the Honest Company one, it has really wide straps, and it does have a little bit of padding. As you can see, the padding, it's not that thick, but there's some padding in it. For the Ryla, if you compare the straps to those two, these are a lot thicker, which they're really wide on your shoulders, and this one is not as wide. And as padding, this one does also have some padding. And finally, the SkipHop one also has some padding. So they're all equally as padded, I would say. But these two, I would say, are more comfortable, because this one, they're really wide. So I like how these two feel a lot better on my shoulders, at least. Now, as far as zippered pockets in the back, the SkipHop does not have one. The Ryla has one, very nice and smooth, and so does the Honest Company. Has one, and this one is a lot bigger. It's from the top all the way to the top to the bottom, so this one's huge. And on this one, you can access your stuff from back here to the stuff inside the main compartment, and not on the SkipHop one. This one just goes from here to here, and it's only access to the back, and SkipHop does not have one. As far as the straps, since we're still on the back side of the backpack, they are all adjustable. So all three of them have adjustable straps. Now, as far as the diaper backpacks, only one of them has straps that you can attach to the stroller, and that's the SkipHop. And these are removable, but you could adjust these to your stroller and it would hang that way. As for these two, they do not have that feature, but I suppose you could buy a mommy hook and just hang them from the handle. Now, as far as front zipper pockets, this one has 2 zipper pockets, this one has 1, and the Honest Company has 2. This one does have an insulated pocket right in the front, right here. And the insulated pocket on the Ryla is inside. And the SkipHop, it's not really insulated, but I don't think it has one inside either. Yeah, the SkipHop does not have any insulated pockets. As far as side pockets, SkipHop has one side pocket here and the other one here that goes inside. The Ryla has one on each side, and the Honest Company does not have any. Now, as far as inside the compartments, your SkipHop one and the Honest Company one are a lot bigger than the Ryla one. This is how big the inside of the Honest Company one is. Here's the inside of the Ryla. And SkipHop. So, the roomiest one, if you're someone that likes to pack a lot of stuff, the SkipHop would be your largest diaper backpack and will fit the most from what I could tell. Now, all 3 backpacks come with a changing pad. This is SkipHop's. This one's really thin and it's not that wipeable material. It's that nylon material again. And it's really skinny as well. And for the Ryla, it also has a changing pad, but it's a lot wider and it's that easily wipeable material. Let me show you these two. See how the SkipHop is a lot skinnier, but it's a little bit longer. And the Honest Company, so with the Ryla one, it includes a changing wet bag in case your kids get their clothes dirty or wet, whatever you put in there. And the other two do not include that. And this is the changing pad for the Honest Company. This one is the smallest out of all 3 of them. So only little newborn's gonna fit there. But the nice thing about this one, it has a little zipper pocket where you might want to just leave a diaper and wipey in there. So you just pull out the changing pad whenever you're gonna go change them. And it has this wipeable material on this side, and this side is a different material. But it is the smallest out of the 3. So as far as inside pockets, the Honest Company, I believe, has the most pockets. Has 1, which is the same one you would use for the bags. I don't know if you would count that one, but has that one. Has 2, another slip pocket, a zipper pocket, and 2 slit pockets. The Ryla, it has 1, 2 slip pockets, 3 zipper pockets. That's only on the inside. And if you want to count the back one, 4. It's almost about the same as the Honest Company. And the SkipHop has 1 zipper, 2 slip, 3, 4, and this is the side pocket, so I don't know if you would count that one. One thing I will say about the SkipHop is kind of a pain to zip this one up because of the way that this little flap covers the strap. It could get stuck sometimes, opposed to something like this that doesn't have what to cover, that easily zips up a lot faster. So that's one thing I just wanted to point out on that. It does have a beautiful tassel, though. I really love that. Now this is what the Honest Company backpack looks like on. I mean, the straps are pretty wide, so if you can see how wide they are, they would dig into my arm right here. These dig into my arm. But it's not too bad. And it just, I feel like it looks huge on me, so that's why I was not a big fan of. I like some other stuff on it, but the fact that it looks so big, nah, I don't know about that. This one feels nice on my shoulders. It doesn't dig. It feels nice. And I really love the shoulder straps the most on this one, because they are made of a nylon. They are the most comfortable ones, but then again, it looks huge. Looks huge on my back. And the straps. This makes it really easy to adjust or unadjust. But look how huge it looks. Looks like I'm going camping. But the straps are really comfortable on this one. So that's it for the video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this comparison of these 3 diaper backpacks. As far as for myself, I would pick one of those 2. Obviously, the one I'm keeping is the Ryla one, because I do not need one that looks so huge on me. I don't tend to overpack so much stuff, and I don't want to look like I'm going camping. So that would fit, I would say, the least amount of stuff out of these other 2. But it's really cute. The Honest Company, I don't like the height of it. It's just way too high, the length. And this one, it's really cute as well. I really do enjoy it. But it looks huge on my back. So I really hope this video was helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this comparison. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I will have the link for each backpack down below and any other information. So check that out. Subscribe if you haven't, and hit that like button. It would help me out a lot. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video.